benefits of working barefoot on the sand. Our body have a lot of energy, and because of our shoes, that energy stays in our body. So to give yourself a discharge of energy and reset your body battery, we need to be barefooted, connected to the earth. That process also known as grounding. Sand has a lot of small particles, so walking barefoot on the sand will give your skin natural scrub, making your feet nice and smooth. There's a numerous nerve connection on the bottom of your feet, and walking barefooted will give you a natural massage and stimulate those nerve extensions, overall improving your nervous system. In order for you to walk barefoot on the sand, you have to get out from your house and find some nice place where you can do it, which is indirectly improves your physical activity and mental state, because you will get out from the place, from your work, from your house, and go and be one with the beautiful nature. That was only few benefits of walking barefooted in the sand. Over, it's gonna fall in. That's my exercise. My hip rotation exercise.